Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Jaguar Motorhome combines supercar performance with executive housing comfort to redefine luxury travel. For demanding enthusiasts who love power, elegance, and convenience, this innovative automobile. Exterior design and performance motorhomes have Jaguar design. Its aerodynamic curves and sculpted edges cut, drag, and draw attention on the road. A striking black mesh grille with adaptive LED matrix headlights and dynamic sequential indicators dominates the front. Door handles that retract, keep lines neat, and prevent wind noise at high speeds. A supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engine with 600 horsepower powers this luxury RV to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, a class first. An adjustable air suspension system regulates ride height and dampening for ideal handling and comfort on autobahns and meandering coastal roads. Torque vectoring and all-wheel drive ensure all-weather traction. Details of interior design inside is a chic British retreat. The spacious inside has hand-finished quilted leather seats, natural wood veneers, brushed aluminum trim, and soft-touch suede coverings. Jaguar's exquisite craftsmanship is everywhere. A modular sofa with variable seating turns into a luxury queen-size bed with a button in the big living space. The area is light and airy with panoramic side windows and a full-length glass roof. A sliding partition wall provides privacy. Gourmet cooking is achievable in modern kitchens. Built-in ventilation induction, cooktop, a convection microwave, smart fridge with humidity-controlled containers, custom cabinets with LED accent lighting, and soft close mechanisms. Designer faucet, deep stainless steel sink, a 4-person eating area with a folding wood table. Entertainment, connectivity. The 2026 Jaguar Motorhome's immersive entertainment system enhances travel. Ultra-thin 50-inch OLED screen. Together with Meridian, we developed a 3D surround sound audio system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth integration of streaming and satellite TV, wireless charging mats and USB-C plugs throughout the cabin, voice-activated controls, and a customizable digital cockpit simplify navigation, lighting, climate, and media. Restroom, bedroom, a rainfall shower with antimicrobial glass doors, a backlit vanity mirror, brushed nickel fixtures, and heated floors make the spa-inspired bathroom luxurious. For any occasion, a dedicated dressing area with full-length mirrors and ample wardrobe space streamlines preparation. Safe driver aid. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a windshield-mounted HUD. Summary. With supercar performance, classic design, and 5-star hotel amenities, the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome is ambitious. It offers every trip strength, prestige, and comfort, whether cross-country or weekend.